Okay. Let's cut off what you can see just a little bit. And then let's run and debug. My code. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's running. Ticket, please. For now, this can go over here. It seems like I'm quickly running out of screens. Okay. Oh, also my audio is way too loud. Just a second. Okay. So, it's been a while since I did any game design stuff. I took a break just because I was a little bored with it, but now I'm back. The big issue I want to tackle today is this one. Mock up the user interfaces. Again, just a mock-up. I'm probably going to be using Adobe Illustrator. Before that though, I'm going to go back through, review what we've done so far. So, let me jump into the project pages. And in here we have the design documentation for this very small game. Ideation document, basically I just went over some bullet points about what I want the game to be like. The use case document, I went through all the general use cases that users will actually use to play the game. And these are all fairly simple. Requirements, I took all of those use cases and I broke them down into very specific individual pieces. Right? So just generally like digging more into what sorts of things actually need to go into the game. So like the version number must appear on the main menu. That's more for me than anyone else, but like all of these buttons have to appear in the center of the screen. If we didn't have that, they could appear anywhere we wanted. And then, so that's all the documentation, and we will review all of these as we go to build out the mock-ups for the menus. The reason I want to mock up the menus specifically is because they are, I think, the easiest first target to take. Right? It's also going to be the first thing you see in the game. And it's the one aspect I have the most kind of solid, concrete vision of in my head. And it's also one of the more creative parts of the game. The rest of it's going to be very... like, it's understood what's going to happen. So... oh, and just a reminder, if I haven't said already, if you type something into chat, it will pull a ticket once every minute, and if that ticket is equal to 777, the stream will end on the spot. Very fun stuff. Save me from this purgatory. Okay. Let's jump back into the board. So, user interfaces. Let me switch the windows around. This over here. I'll just minimize that. And then which window is it? It's this one. Okay. Now, we have a much cooler window here, which is Adobe Illustrator. If you've never used it, Adobe Illustrator is a graphic design software. It's a whole load of fun. It's also kind of complex, so I will just give you like a quick rundown. There's all the basic kind of tools that you'd want, like you have the ability to just draw stuff. But where it really shines is laying out very specific graphic designs, so that's typically done with like anchor points. You can make very exact curves, things like this. I'm by no means an expert. In fact, I'd say I'm a novice at best, and also not well practiced. So the last time I used this was for like a project for work over a year ago. But I have done cool things with it. In fact, you can't see it, but I have a mug sitting on my desk with a design that I drew up in Illustrator for a organization in college. Very cool. Speaking of mug, I'm gonna make some tea. And then I'm gonna pull up some reference material here. So like, actually, let's jump back. This is gonna be a lot of dancing around between Windows and in OBS. So I will open some of the requirements. So if we look at like, we're gonna start on the main menu, right? We'll go through a lot of this stuff. And an aspect of this I haven't really talked about too much is that this this mock-up of the menu is actually going to comprise the background for the menu as well. So we need to make it so we can add and remove elements from over top of the menu, like the buttons and everything. Obviously, you're not going to have those as part of the background, right? That's going to be an element you overlay in the engine. Same thing with the version number, everything like that needs to be dynamic. But the actual background of the mockup can be used for the game itself. And since this is a dumb practice thing I'm doing, I'm not going to contract out any of the artwork. I'm just going to make it myself. If I ever make a real game, I will have to do that, just because I don't have, I don't have months to sit around, unless someone wants to fund me sitting around for months doing artwork, which I will totally take your money. I would love to get paid to do this. It's just not something that's in the cards. And I really don't want to go work for a AAA studio. After everything I've heard, it's not something I feel like doing ever in my whole life. Like I'd rather, I'd rather like live in the woods than go work for like a big games company. Oh man, you can't see this. This is adorable. I have this box with a cat bed in it for the Calyx bookshelves that IKEA sells. Very cool stuff. My cat never goes in there, but he's in there right now. It's so adorable. What's wrong? Oh. Oh, my heart, it aches. Okay. Oh, you can't see what I'm looking at. Let me full screen that shit. Okay. So the version number must appear on the main menu in the bottom left. Let's just start there. Let's go back to Illustrator. Can I add a new layer? Cool. So Adobe Illustrator is like if you mixed 2D CAD software with Photoshop. It's a very strange software. They can do just about anything you want to do in 2 dimensions, and even some stuff in 3 dimensions. Except for, I don't think it's parameterized, like you would have with with AutoCAD or Creo or NX or anything. And I actually used to use Creo for this purpose, but I don't have the student license of Creo, and it's really not worth the money. So in the bottom left, we need the version number. What's the version schema of this going to be? Let's just go like version 0.01. Now let's do the rewrite version, which is this is the actual first version of the game I'm writing. The major number, which is 1, and the minor number, which is 0. That's good. So I don't know if anyone has ever done like version control in software design. It's very boring. Let me make the text bigger here. How do I do that? Remember to select it? Are we not past this? Okay. I also refused. Okay, there we go. Requirement 1 is mocked up. So if you don't know, this is the way that I like to do version control. It's not always the way that people do it. So like you'll have this major number here, which is for large features. Those are the middle 2 digits. This number over here tells you which rewrite you're on. So often in the software, especially if you're working in systems that are very, very complex, you might every once in a while need to completely rewrite a system. Either the language you're using is obsoleted, or the software it's written for, or the hardware it's written for is going out, whatever. So if you ever need to rewrite a software, that's when I change that number. And then this version number down here is the minor number. That's for patches and such. Typically, odd numbers for the major number indicate testing. So especially if you've ever used Fedora, the Fedora version number I think is always the odd version number, and then Red Hat always gets, you know, the even numbers. I think I'd have to check. It's been a while since I ever took a look at the Linux naming schema. Is there anything in this one I need to see? No. Okay. So that's the first requirement. Let's jump back to this window. So 2, the play, achievements, settings, and quit buttons must appear in the center of the screen. Let's do a button mock-up then. I don't know what the buttons are actually gonna look like. Maybe we figure that out. So you'll have to pardon me, I am looking in a different window. I don't want to just open tabs in Google on stream. 1 for confidentiality, and 2 because I don't want to show anything off Google. They have a habit of just pulling up strange things. So I'm looking at carnival games for inspiration for what these buttons could look like. My First thought is that the buttons for the game could be like the bottles that you throw the rings onto. And then like you click the bottle and it breaks or something like that. That might be cool. I think it'd be possible to do that in Unreal. Actually, no, I do like that idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. So now I need a bottle mock-up. Do I make a different project for that? Or do I just make a layer? I guess I'll do a layer. How do we do new layers? I forget. Create new layer. There we go. I'm a genius. And I will rename these because I'm an adult. Layer options. Version number. Please capitalize everything so that we are geniuses. Great. We can do this as like a bottled base, because then I can copy this over, and I'll just make it invisible in the final project. And then in the actual game, it'll be like a 3D modeled thing that's overlaid. Again, just a mock-up. How do I go about making a bottle? Well, what does a bottle look like? I'm gonna pull up a reference image. Hello. Nope, that opened up. I don't want to order bottles, I just want to look at the picture a bit closer. And yeah, I'm thinking like a beer bottle's probably the best bet for this. So it's like a rectangle on one end. Okay, I think I know how to build this. So let's do a rectangle. We want to have it outlined. We want the fill to be I wonder, can I do glass texturing in Illustrator? I bet you I can. Oh, yeah, you can. Oh no, those are just textures. I want to see. I make a glass effect. Okay, I will know this in a moment. Let me just get the basic shape of things done. Whoops. No fill. So it's a rectangle. And then on two corners. Oh. Hey now. Okay. So it's like this, and then on how do I select just these two corners? Am I dumb? I mean, yes, but also that's all corners. I don't know how. Okay, I'll just look it up. I'm great at this. I don't want videos. I guess I'm watching a video. It's also, I can't really see this, so I might move some windows around. Okay, I kind of need this to be in my full field of view. Oh, there we go, I got it. So yeah, that's rounded the corners off. Something that happens here that I noticed is... We can try this. This is going to look like a wine bottle, though. So a wine bottle has very nice radiuses up here. The beer bottles have... Like, the radius kind of starts further back than they do out here. But I think it's going to be okay for a mock-up. And then we have another rectangle that is the neck of the bottle. It goes like here. And I think it should be a bit wider. Can I not grab this? There we go. Is that... Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and then these two corners need to come together. Which I do not remember how to do. And once again, I'm gonna look that up. Okay. This is selection. This is direct selection. Okay, there's a difference. Grab these two. Okay, not really what I wanted. Do we have to hit shift? Nope. We hit control. No. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. Never mind. Let me look back here. Scale, I see. There's a tool in here called scale. Where are you? I really can't see it. Oh, they just have that sitting in there. So we'll find it. No. There we go. You know, this isn't quite what I had hoped, I'm being honest with the class. Yeah, let's try again. Direct select those two corners. We take the scale tool. I see. Okay. Is this what I'm going for? And then there needs to be like a lip on the bottle, which is be another rectangle. This. cancel. And we want to zoom in. Is it Alt? There we go, my genius is showing. Do this, we bring these together. Oh, yeah, it's Alt. Okay. Now here's what I want to do. Take all of these. And we're going to do a fun thing, which is in object path. How do I add shapes again? Is it in line? Oh, it's in Pathfinder. There we go. We want to unite. There we go. Okay. This looks like a spyglass, and I think I know how to fix it. Okay, now it looks like a... Hang on. First thing I can do is I can take... I should be able to take some of these points and move them. Like if I take this... Oop, that cut it. I did not mean to do that. I can direct select these. What do you do? I can... Alright. Move this anchor back, which is what I wanted before. Okay, that's a little better. Also, we need to make the neck just a little longer. Is this better or worse? I actually think it's better. It doesn't seem quite even, and I don't know how to get... maybe I can like view grid lines or something up here? Perspective grid. Show grid, there we go. So you know what I need to do? Basically just need to revert this and copy it on both sides. Okay. We're back here, I can fix this. Nope. Take this. Oh, whoops. Unite them. And I take the direct selection and I want to select these points here. And I'll move them back. Oh, not working. Why can I not do this? That moves the whole thing. There we go. Okay. It still looks uneven. I think that looks better than what we had before. It does not look so much like an spyglass. Is that better? Okay, it looks a little weird. I think it's okay. Now I can move this around and scale it and stuff. Cool. Now, should I figure out how to make a glass effect? Everyone's favorite video game? Go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Glass Morphism Illustrator Tutorial. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this seems very complicated, so let's save that for last. We also need the background to be in place for it to work. But down center screen, there's gotta be... Oh shit. 2 buttons. This design, by the way, grown on me. It's much better when it's this small. Definitely looks a lot more like a bottle. Now, we have a path here. Let's make a, not a sublayer. We just need a new element to this layer, which is going to be text. When we play, and I will change the settings here around. Right, so we want increase the text size considerably. We don't want this font, we want something that looks handwritten, not script, but I think in the actual game I might just write this out in my own handwriting, and then sure, that's fine. It looks too neat, but whatever. We need it to be centered for sizing purposes. And then we want it to be... Sure, that's fine. I also think I'm going to add an extra part to this, which is like, it looks like there's tape on the bottle. Because the text is not going to play nice with the glass effect. You could always do something that looks etched, but that's really hard to read. So now, can I duplicate this layer? How do I, oh, it's locked. Maybe I can just select it out here. Ooh, not what I want. Okay, time to look at the internet again. Select the layer you want, then duplicate by clicking on its name. I see. I don't know how this helps me. Alternatively, drag the layer to the new layer icon. Really? Oh shit. Well, that's kind of handy. Bottle-based copy. No, we're gonna rename this. So this is gonna be play. This is gonna be, let me get the order of those. So it's play achievements. My least favorite word to spell. Play achievements. Settings. And quit. Nope. Who's texting me? Oh, my brother's not going to be home tonight, so I guess we can do a 4-player game instead. Nice. We'll have to pick a different... We were going to play Diplomacy, but that game is a freaking nightmare. I still have not played it. I've only ever heard stories. I do own it, though. What game should I play instead? Oh, if we can do 4-player games, we're playing Neon Gods. Kind of excited. Okay, I will show this off at some point. I will do like a full unboxing of what I did. But there's this board game called Neon Gods. It is by, I think it's Planet made it. In the box it came in sucks shit. It's so bad. It's so bad. So what I had to do is build custom inserts for it with 3D printing. I was originally used CNC routing to cut out all the wood pieces, but the facility I was using did not have the correct tools when I was trying to build this, so I did it all with 3D printing, and it was stupid. I just printed flat sheets of plastic that were already cut in the right proportions. It took me like 100 hours of printing, and then I meticulously glued them together, and then I painted them with automotive paint. So it looks really cool. It's all like the colors of the game and stuff, but it was not cost effective. I mean, looking cool is half the battle. Hey, what the fuck? Did I copy off of all of these? Oh, no, hang on. Just give me the one layer. I just need this layer. Select it. Okay, I have no clue what's going on. Maybe if I lock them, I can drag it. No, they're locked in place now. Shoot. Well, I can take just the path and move it. Okay, let me look this up. This is Photoshop, not Illustrator. Click on the far right. Oh. I know how this works. That's bullshit. I don't know how this works. This is also gonna have to move around a ton. Because I have them completely out of order. So play is this one. Achievements is this one. Achievements. Settings is this one. And then quit is this one. Cool. Now the only thing that really needs to change here is achievements needs to have smaller text to fit in the same area. Not my favorite thing in the planet, but it's okay. And then I need to swap the layers around, so play goes up top because it is important. Nope. It's play achievements. Or no, it's play settings achievements. Play achievement settings. Cool. Okay. Play achievement settings quit, so now I can take and select all of these and move them up to here. If I put this here and then I select play, I can move them down. Read it. Hooray, we did it. Oh, I already did that one. Let's do this. What's next? What's next is I want to make these all into a new layer. That layer will be menu buttons. So these can all go be a part of menu buttons, please. Thank you. Now I can select the menu buttons and move them all as a group. This will allow me to get them centered, hopefully. I think this is centered. It looks centered. And then... okay, that looks like it is exactly centered. Cool. Look at us. We're doing it. Alright, let's hop back to achievements. Or not achievements, requirements. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so we've mocked up number 2. Number 3, the buttons play achievement settings quit must appear in order from top to bottom. We did 3, hooray. Number 4, the buttons play achievement settings quit must appear inside the opening of a background graphic of a carnival tent. Let's do this next. Or else I'm not gonna mock up the music. I mean, we can look on epidemic sound and like, that should be fine, right? And then we'll mock up sub-menus and stuff. Probably not today, because I have other stuff I want to do. Like, I want to play Planet Coaster today. Because I am very healthily addicted to that video game. Let me pull up, like, what does a carnival tent look like? Okay, it's the stripies. It's got stripes, it's got... Okay, I'm going to just create a mock layer really quick to... And this stuff too. Nope. Okay. So the carnival tent I'm looking at is like, and it's gonna be kind of zoomed in, right? Because I want these to be in the opening of the tent. It's got like squigglies up here. Right, and then it's got kind of this vibe going on with stripes. And then it's got kind of curtains that go this way. Right, like this. And they're tied back. Like a little bow or something. Cool, that's a bow. And then these have stripies as well. They go like... And then... And this has also got stripies that goes like this, and then like this. Cool, something like this. And then inside here, it's just going to be like gray, kind of... It'll look dark in the center, it'll fade out to brown or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out. First things first, these curtains got to be very difficult to actually to make it look correct and symmetrical, so I think we start with up here. So everything I'm seeing just shows alternating half circles. They're not even half circles, they're half ellipses. So let's mock that up right now. Oh yeah, it would also look like this. There's like a... Sure, that looks dumb, so I'm not gonna put that there. How many sections do we want up here? Let's go with 5. One right in the center, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the sides. No, make it 7. And the one in the center is gonna be red or white. Oh, do we want it to be red and white? What's our carnival colors gonna look like? I think green. I like the color green. Green's good. It'll set us out. Set us apart. Who knows? One of those words. Okay, so now we make a shape. Shapes we have. Ellipse. Cool. And we actually need a new layer for this, which is going to be... I don't know what they're called. They're like circle tent thing, or like round tent thingies. So it's literally just gonna be this cut in half. Oh, no, not you. Can I add an anchor? Anchor point tool? Not what I wanted. Nope, not what I wanted. How do I draw a freaking line? Okay, wait. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not blob brush tool. I feel like I'm smoking crayons right now. Great paths. Yeah. That's what I thought I was doing. No, that's minus. Like shift to... I am a genius. Now, we need to subtract this anchor. Nope, subtract it. We need to get rid of this anchor. It's bad for the soul. Fuck. I've done it. Now the question is, for the background, do we want the background to be 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional? A 3-dimensional curve, or a 3-dimensional tent would have... this would be the lowest part of the tent, and it would be slightly higher over here. We can start it off as 2-dimensional, and it will... Hey, that's not nice. Let me select this whole thing, and I will... I will see if I can do this. There we go. Now, like right here, there will be one. It's also a little low on stroke. And this mock-up... Hey, that's not right. How do I set the opacity on a layer? There we go. What I need to do next is make a new layer. And this layer will be the tent brim. Then I'll have the round tent thingies in here. And then I can select, or no, then I can drag these down here and just duplicate it. Like this. Look at me, Mom, I'm doing it. Yep. Make another one of these. And now, of course, this is not the fastest way to do it. It is just the way I'm doing it. So, step off, okay? I think we're gonna live if we're not doing this the most optimal way on the planet. Yes, and I am aware you can create patterns. This is a freaking mock-up for one-time thing, okay? The motif will carry on, right? This whole tent motif will carry on through the game, okay? I understand. I can use a pattern. I fully grasp the weight of my actions in this moment. But also, I'm an adult, okay? I can handle myself. I'm not a professional graphic artist. Or graphic designer. Does a graphic artist only make things that are graphic in nature? I don't think that'd be very appropriate. In that way, I'm not a graphic artist. I'm just little old me. Okay. Now, from here, I want kind of curves going up to some point, very far up here, on its own layer. Also, I don't think these bottles are very well centered. Maybe I take this whole tent brim and I just scoot it to where the center actually is. Is here? Is that right? Okay, sure, that's fine. And then I will take the menu buttons and I will move them to here. That looks a bit better. Also, I can turn off the mock and you can kind of see what we're going for here. Okay, on to the next thing. We need is to set a height for this kind of thing. So I'm going to use the pen tool. I will set a anchor right there. And then right there. Hang on, can I... Okay, this will make curves. So I'm gonna select this and then that anchor, and then I can curve it this way. Ooh, nope. Let me change the grid. Guide guides. Make guides? Can I make a guide? How do I do that? I don't know how to do that. So this will make it look very straight. It's not quite what I'm going for. I want to... No. We're working in... No, we're not doing that either. What the fuck is going on? Okay, we need to make a tent top layer. I guess I got it over my skis a little bit. First things first, we need to make an anchor that is in the center of the page here, up here. And then we take the curve tool and we want to build out to here. No, not what I wanted. We're writing in this tent top thing, so I can actually lock that, the tent brim, but I want to be able to see it. I just want it locked. And now you can only draw straight lines? Is that real? Ooh, I didn't know you could draw S-curves like that. That's cool. Not what I'm after though. How to curve a line in Illustrator. Yeah. Click and drag it. Oh, you can just use the regular pen tool for this? That is kind of what I want. There. There. Some more music. Okay. And now pen and curvature tools. Also make curved lines if you click and drag it. Is that real? Maybe I get a YouTube video backing this up. Without pen tool. Uh-huh. I like the pen tool though. Why do we need to... Right. Bend the path, funny man. Ah. Okay, anchor point tool. Go down here. Go up onto here. Look at me. Now the path gets less bendy the closer you are to the center. But these ones I will just barely bend in. And it doesn't have to look perfect because no one's going to stare at it for too long. Except for me. Now if we crop back in on our illustration here on the artboard, clearly see if I, disable the mockup. And look at that. It does the thing. Very cool. And now I have no clue how to make the big stripies that go in here. Is there like a fill bucket? I guess I could always do that in Photoshop or some such. Okay. I've not been recording any of this, just to my local files. I guess that's okay. I can always download this. Where's my reference photos for this? Oh, here it is. Now, let's pull the mock back up. So I have these curtains off to the side here. The actual center point for the curtains get to be right here, and they need to kind of go back this way. Which should be fine. Let me make a new layer. That will be the tent curtains. And I want a sublayer here that is left and right. Okay. And I will also lock the tent top entirely, just so I can't edit it accidentally. Now, I can use the standard pen tool, now that I know that you can bend stuff after the fact, which is really cool. We'll do this. And I will do this. Here. The anchor point. Actually, not what I want. Not what I want. Hello? What the fuck's going on? Am I eating crayons right now? I am. I'm eating all the crayons. Let's just do one curtain at a time then. What did I just do? Oh, I'm messing it up really bad. I really just need to select this line here. Which path is this? This one? Well, that's that one. I honestly can't tell what that is a part of. This path here is just very nebulous. Okay, I mean, I guess I lock these again. And we will just do the left one. Just from here to here. Oh, are these parts of it? Let's lock the mock-up as well. Let's go like this. And then I will do a little bendy. This. Okay. Take the pen tool. Go just below it. This goes like this, and then we do just a little bendy as well. And then match the flow of the mock-up. Like this. Oh. And let's really focus in on these points here, because we're going to add just one of these. Cool? Cool. Oh shit. Don't do that. Now let's also add a line there. It's like this ribbon that goes across. And then I will figure out the bow shape later, but if we look at this now, we've got a whole dang curtain that goes across. Pretty nice. And then I do have a method for adding the pleats to it with all the different colors. But first, we're going to take a small break. back. Alright. Now, I've ideated. I know exactly how this is going to work. I don't like that. Finger up there. There we go. Oh, so here's a thing I'm just now noticing. That curve needs to originate up there. Is that more accurate? I feel like that's better. There are people talking very loud outside. Pen tool. Now we need 3 of these. Start. Oh, actually, oh, I'm seeing something I don't quite like. That's good enough. Okay, sorry, I turned my microphone off. There's a lot of ruckus happening right outside my door. Hi, buddy. Why are you gargling at me? What is that noise? We're not going outside to see the neighbors. You want to talk on the microphone? Can you say hello? Say hello. Say hi. Wow, say hi. Can you say it? No, he just like pets. He looks pretty stoked. Pretty excited about getting pet. Can you say hi? No. Hey, do you want to get down? Oh. He's got the grace of like a falling sea otter or something. Which is to say none grace. You know what? I said I wasn't going to, but I might duplicate this. And select this copy. How can I mirror something? Illustrator. It says it's properties. I don't see it. Oh wait. There we go. Did this save us a bunch of time? It actually did save us just a little bit of time, because what I can do is I can take... Oh, no, don't do that. I can take these anchor points and move them. Again, if I clear the mock-up. You know what I'm noticing is this path kind of sucks. Oh, right there. That looks fine. So there's just one or two things I need to actually do. All of this. Oh, I keep opening a different window. Which is that, like, there I need to add an anchor, and then I can remove this one here. And I basically just need to do that all the way around here. Okay, that intersect, and then I take this, click up here, and I delete it. Oh, hey, pal. Cool. And this should be basically exactly what I'm going for. I can do the same thing over here, where I can intersect the artboard. Or even just off of it. Doesn't really matter to me. Oh, you know what? I can't do that. Never mind me. Fine. I should be able to just export the artboard itself. Or like whatever's in here. And then this version number doesn't really make sense to go down here anymore because it doesn't fit. So let's select that. And we'll move it somewhere else. Right there. Okay. Now. I need to color all these in. And how I'm going to do that, I have no clue. How do I do this? I mean, I have a paintbrush tool, right? So I could just color this in. flood fill. How do I do that? It's kind of what I'm hoping for. Double click the paint bucket tool. Where's the paint bucket tool? I don't see it. There's a gradient tool. I'll use that in a second. I should be able to click down here and get a bigger list of tools. Live paint bucket. There we go. That's what I want. It's K. Or, okay. Can I change this color? Oh, I can. Nice. How do I use this tool? Just because everything here is locked, maybe? In live paint bucket options, disable stroke filling. Okay. But I can't do that. It's not working. Which means I don't know what's going on. It's saying select elements or something. Okay. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Let me see, gonna do the same thing for the top. Nothing here is closed, I see. Oh, nope, that's editing the wrong thing. I need to be editing the tent top. Not what I want. What did that fucking select? Okay. How do I close this stuff, though? Burn path? I see. Now I should be able to color in just those. Not quite what I expected to happen. Okay. Oh, fuck. There we go. To merge the paths to the live paint group, click the merge live paint button. Is that a thing? Okay, so now if I think I got it. If I click this and I go up to object and I click, it was merge, or no, it's live paint. Merge. Is this gonna work now? Okay, got this. And this. Now here's the deal. This is not, hey, no. No. This is not like closed objects here. Okay, this is very frustrating. Because this is like a complete path in here, and then this one in here is not. Oh, but then it's connected to that path. Why? I didn't ask for that. Okay, tent curtains, you're locked. No, not even this. Tent brim, you're also locked. Where are you at? You're locked. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Do that. Okay, now, select all of this. Select it all. I'm actually going to make the tent brim invisible, and the curtains. I'm working on just this. Object. Merge. Live paint. Why can I not do this, Illustrator? Why can I not do this? Wait, no. Nope. Should I just do this in Photoshop? I don't know why this doesn't work. It's very confusing. Nope, I don't know what I hit. It's killing me. Really is. I thought this was a completed path. I'm going to complete it. That's not what I asked. Why does it want to subtract the anchor point? Close this. Okay. Now this can be its own live group. Why is my cat freaking out? How do I paint in here? How does work? I mean, I could always do this. Just to create a new shape. Nope, not what I expected. I drag this to match this curve. Drag this to match this curve. And now... they don't match exactly, and that's really annoying. Damn it. So if I just select the whole thing. Select it all. Group. They're grouped. Now can I merge it? Why? I can make it. What is making it do? Does that mean I can do the paint bucket now? Okay, place bets. Will this work? What? Hello? What the hell is going on? There you go. We figured this one out. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. Green, 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 green. Green. And now... ladies, gentlemen, I am a genius. Sort of. Okay, what's next? Now the tent curtains. Right? I wonder how I can make these live paint groups. What if I just select the right curtain and then I go down here to live and I click make. Will this work? Have I done it? Am I the smartest person alive? No, what happened? Uh-oh. Do that. What is going on? Why is it doing that? Can we stop selecting this? I'll click away from it. I will now click this. I will now select the right curtains. I will now click make. Oh wait, I've already done this. Okay. I will now paint. Why can't I paint? What is going on? Will grouping it help me? Why can I not? This is very annoying. Extremely annoying. Okay, what happens if I just... They're not overlapping. Okay, that was literally not helpful in the slightest. This is very annoying. Very annoying. I'm not typically one to get annoyed, but here we are. Okay, let's see. You know what I can try? try this. I'm actually just going to put the tent curtains at the back so that those lines won't show. And now we try and select this, an object. I will try and live paint now. Merge. Oh, did it work? And it filled the whole thing. That's not what I wanted. This is very annoying. The amount of sound happening is making me frustrated. Okay, I will figure this out. But it's like the whole thing. Not what I want. Okay, if I do this, and I turn this into a live paint object. Why did it do that? What the fuck is going on? Okay. Nope. Get rid of that. Stop selecting everything. I will figure this out. I will get rid of the brim for a moment. Huh? Tent curtains are not part of the brim. What the fuck? Okay. I want to edit this path. Add lines to it. This. To that. And we will go up to here. Okay, now it's enclosed. Now, if I go up to object and I click live paint, why? Okay, is it already live paint object then? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Right on. That needs to be white though. This next one, there's a weird dot there. Who knows what that's about? Why do I need to keep selecting the... I can't help but feel like this is very simple. Like the green color. Oh, I was using the wrong tool. What is that? Green. Is there? I will deal with it. It's fine. Fine. Why does this work now? What the fuck changed? Okay. No, it's fine. Not gonna get worked up over it. It's okay. It's okay. Everything here is just fucking dandy. Now, I need like a golden color. Golden. Look at this. Look at this, everyone. It's fucking okay. Everything is gonna be okay. Let's do the left one. Nope, I don't want that window to be open. It's fine. We're not selecting the tent top. That's locked. I'm not playing right now with that. Okay. Nope, not what I clicked. Nope. Okay. Now, is this live paint? No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, it's fine. Here's the question though, can I make it live paint? Can we do that? If I do object, live paint. Okay. I pull back out the paint bucket. We select. Get out the paint bucket. Select this green color. Now, stop trying to color shit in. That's not what we're after. No, why is it green? Why is it green? I clicked white. Okay, everything's gotta be fine. Now, to click this, it's a little bit of yellow here. be yellow. Yellow. Okay. Oh, let's turn the brim back on. Can we do that? Where's the fucking brim? Okay. Is this what we're after? The colors are not right. It's okay. It's okay. We'll grab this green color. We'll fix it. Adult. White. Oh. Okay. Now. Now everything is gonna be okay. I think we're gonna be okay. Okay. Now there's one or two more things I need to do. First, I need to make a background. And that background is going to be a gradient. Hello? I probably need to make a shape for it, don't I? I can just use a rectangle. Like this. And then the fill color, I wonder if I can make this a gradient. Probably can. Honestly, let's just make it a black background. What the fuck is going on? Oh. No, let's not make it black. Let's make it like a brown or something. A dark gray. That's kind of cool. It's just not what I'm going for. Gradient options? Oh, nice. Or, I mean, that's fine for now. It's not gonna be perfect. And up here I need to make a path for this background layer. This path, its fill is going to be like blue or something. Honestly, just black is okay. And the same thing for over here. All right. I think this is good enough for now as mock-ups. I'm gonna make the fill color white, just for the time being. Or like this off-white. Sure. I think that is a good enough mock-up. I'm gonna do more off camera on this, make it look a little better. Because it's very amateur hour. Granted, I am not a professional graphic designer, so. But this is the vibe we're going for. I might even adjust some things here really quick. Like the version number is... maybe fill color white. The bottles here, the menu buttons, are a little too high on the screen. But yeah, this will be cool. It just needs some work. I want to make this all look more 3D. Or like if I can make this look stitched, I'm not sure how I'd do that. I want to make these look like glass, kind of three-dimensional objects. But as a mock-up, this works well. Okay. I think that's all I got in me right now. This was a lot more work than I thought it'd be. I thought this would take like 30 minutes. We've now been here for 2 hours. Yeah, that's it.